A Kerala-based journalist and three other people said to have links with the alleged radical group Popular Front of India were on Wednesday booked for sedition. The four were arrested in Mathura on Monday while on their way to Hathras from Delhi and have been sent to judicial custody for 14 days. The PFI has been accused of funding protests against Citizenship Amendment Act across the country earlier this year, and the UP police had sought a ban on the outfit. The four were held when, according to the police, they were on their way to Hathras, where a Dalit woman had died after allegedly being gang raped. The politics over Hathras incident is getting murkier by the day. Ranjit Bahadur Srivastava, a BJP leader from Barabanki, has claimed that the four upper caste men accused of brutally assaulting the 19-year-old Dalit girl in Hathras are innocent, and it is the victim who was Awara, that is wayward. The controversial Bharatiya Janata Party leader, who himself has over 44 criminal cases against him, made his shocking statement in an interview to a news channel on Tuesday night. He claimed that the teen was having an affair with the accused and had called him to the millet field on September 14th, that is the day of the crime. In the interview, Srivastava can be heard saying that the victim must have called the boy to the field because they were having an affair. This news is already out on social media and the news channel. She must have got caught after that. However, the BJP leader did not stop there. He also claimed that such women are found dead in a few specific spots in a tone-deaf comment. The BJP today issued a strong message to Chirag Paswan and its own rebel queuing up to contest the upcoming elections from his party. Come back to the BJP fold or be expelled was the message delivered in a clear terms by the party's senior-most leader in the state, Sushil Kumar Modi, and its state election in charge, Devendra Fadnavis. There was also the threat of police case delivered by state party chief Sanjay Jaiswal for any non-NDA candidate using photo of Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the campaign. Rebels contesting from Chirag Paswan's Lok Janashakti party would lead to a loss of face for the BJP, which appears eager to mend fences with Nitish Kumar, the state's five-time chief minister. They would also pose problem for the new BJP candidates fielded from their own constituencies. Champion wrestler and BJP leader Babita Phogat, who unsuccessfully contested the 2019 Haryana Assembly elections, has resigned as Deputy Director of the state's sports department, triggering speculation that she will campaign for the party ahead of a by-poll in Sonipat district next month. There is also speculation that she may even contest in the election herself. Babita Phogat is scheduled to meet Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar today. In a brief letter to the Principal Secretary of the Sports Department, Phogat said that she was resigning because of unavoidable circumstances. The by-poll for the Baroda seat in Haryana Sonipat is scheduled for November 3rd. Individually, the seat does not make any difference to the BJP because the party holds 40 seats in the 90-member assembly. The family of Sushant Singh Rajput, who have alleged negligence by the medical team of Delhi's AIIMS hospital that ruled out actor's death in June as murder, will go to court unless a new medical panel is set up to examine available forensic evidence, their lawyer Vikas Singh said this evening. Speaking to reporters on Wednesday, hours after Riya Chakraborty, whom Rajput's family has accused of involvement in his death, was released on the bail, Vikas Singh launched a scathing attack on the AIIMS medical panel and its report, which he said cannot serve any justice. If the CBI does not take action, we will go to the court and demand forming a new forensic team. We want a proper medical opinion. This kind of opinion cannot serve justice. This is what Vikas Singh said, also claiming that the chief of the panel, Dr. Sudhir Gupta, had violated ethical and medical guidelines by appearing on television news channels and saying that it was a suicide.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.